Well, a large turnout today for a protest march and rally in Annapolis. Chants demanding justice could be heard for blocks. At issue is how a judge handled a case where racial slurs were used in the shooting death of a young African-American man in Glen Burnie. 11 News I-Team reporter David Collins is live tonight in Annapolis with that story. David.
Donna, witnesses say the gunman repeatedly used a racial slur and that the jury wasn't allowed to know that. Then the judge acquitted the shooter before the jury got to deliberate. Scores of people took to the streets of Annapolis to bring attention to what they consider as a gross miscarriage of justice. The symbolism of their cause worn around their necks and held high above their heads is grounded in substance.
The state attorney's office stands with me. The police department stands with me. And everyone can see the injustice except for Judge Mulford.
Last September, 25-year-old Kendall Green was fatally shot by Matthew Pinkerton as he tried to enter Pinkerton's home to talk with his wife, whom he had a relationship. Witnesses said Green was unharmed, made no threats, and pushed the door open only after Pinkerton repeatedly used racial slurs. Pinkerton was indicted on second-degree murder and other charges. The judge, however, didn't allow prosecutors to tell the jury that a slur was used during the course of the shooting.
He called my son the N-word, and it needs to go on court record that that's what he said. That is a racial slur. That is a form of hatred. And I think that the justice system needs to allow that to be added in.
In the middle of last month's jury trial, at the request of the defense, Anne Arundel County Circuit Judge William Mulford acquitted Pinkerton. His office did not respond to our request for clarity.
2, 4, 6, 8, what do we want? Justice! When do we want it? Now!
The protest march for justice turned into a rally outside Annapolis Circuit Court. They want the U.S. Justice Department to investigate this shooting as a hate crime and try the case in federal court.
We see that injustice has been done. We want it rectified. We want to make sure that this stops.
Organizers and participants in this multiracial demonstration declared this is not a one-and-done event. This is the beginning of an ongoing movement for social justice.
Take this case to a higher court. Please hear the cry of a mother, of an aunt, of a family. Please hear the cry and the concern of a community.
Congresswoman Donna Edwards is taking the lead on this request. She sent a letter she got from the NAACP along with her own correspondence to the U.S. Justice Department, and her office says she's looking forward to a prompt response. Reporting live from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.